pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rossville local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers would like to help. We are professional movers, and we offer reliable, customer-focused, best moving services whether you are going to or from Rossville, Maryland. When you call our office, our moving specialists will discuss the service options with you and schedule an appointment for your on-site survey. The team representative who visits your home will review the move scope and create an inventory of everything you need to move. Next, we will submit our estimate and answer your questions. We can explain the options for services like packing, disassembly and reassembly of furniture, crating of artwork, moving bulky items, and choosing insurance coverage. When you are ready, we will schedule your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rossville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.